Hi guys, good morning. Okay. Ikaw matulog, no?
Ha?
Ikaw matulog, mag-vlog muna. Ano lang naman to, mga 20 minutes. Nag-ano ako, tawag dito. Yung heart ko ba? Sa coffee siguro to. Palpitate. 1, 2, 3, go. So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I'm gonna share with you the update of my stocks investment for the past few months. So if you watch my video last March, I think around April, basta nung time na nag-ECQ. So nung time ng ECQ, naisipan ko na mag-start ng stocks investment kasi matagal ko na siya talagang gustong i-try. I just read books with Ray Dalio, which is yan yung parang pinakasikat na investor or something investment guru aside from Warren Buffett. Kumbaga sila yung mga magaling in terms of stocks. So I read their biography, their books, their mga articles sa online. So when the time comes, sabi nga nila nung pandemic nagsisale daw yung mga stocks. It's very risk din na pumili ng stock. So doon pinakita ko kung paano mag-start sa COL sa halagang 1,000 pesos lang. But of course, 1,000 pesos will not get you farther. Kumbaga, syempre, yung fold or yung return ng pera, nagdepende din yan kung gaano kalaki or gaano mo siya i-work out. So ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung nangyari sa na-invest ko na stocks. But before that, I would like to share this to you. Nakatapos ko lang manood ng episode 12 ng Startup. So if you are fan of Korean K-drama, so actually guys, I think this is worth sharing because startup is about young entrepreneurs, ang individual, sa mga taong merong pangarap na mag-start ng kanilang negosyo. So it's really a good K-drama series na kailangan nyo talagang panoorin. So I really recommend it to watch kasi marami kayong matutunan in terms of how you handle your emotions, what brings you to become a successful entrepreneurs. Ang isa sa mga takeaway ko talaga doon, yung emotions mo. You must really master your emotion. Don't decide when you are angry and also don't decide when you are happy because that is a emotion-driven decision. So, yan yung isa ko sa mga natutunan talaga while watching this movie. Natutunan ko rin yan sa mga previous ko ng mga seminars, trainings, and workshop. So, because decision making is very crucial, is very important in our daily living. What we do now or what we decide now will affect really in our future. But, come to think of it, na kung ano man yung naging decision mo, kung ano man yung naging present mo, you can actually change kung ano yung maging future mo. Ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung stocks na tinry kong mag-invest and in what amount. So, disclaimer lang, ako hindi naman ako magaling sa stocks and kung ano man yung nabanggit ko dito is just my own experience, it's just my own POV, point of view, and based on my own understanding din. So, wag nyo itong gawing basis para kung ano man yung paano kayo mag-invest sa stocks. Kung ano lang sa akin, i-share ko lang kung paano na nag-start kasi naniwala ako na every one of us has different goals, has different situation. Iba-iba tayo ng pinanggalingan, iba-iba yung pananaw natin sa buhay. So, what I'm trying to say is, kumbaga, kung ano man yung goals nyo, kung ano man yung dreams nyo, sabi nga sa startup, follow your dream. Your dream, not my dream, but your dream. So, follow your dream. So, always make a decision, gabay siya kung ano man yung gusto mong marating sa buhay. Kasi ako, I have my own goals. And I made those stocks investment because of my personal goals, not because of the goals of other people or because of hype lang. Ba kasi mostly sa mga tao nag-invest sa ganitong stocks kasi nga yun yung uso ngayon, yun yung bet, yun yung kung ano yung ano. Ako, nag-invest naman ako sa stocks. I make up my mind na ayaw ko mag-trade for the meantime for now. Kasi yung skills ko hindi pa ganun kalaki. Nag-start pa lang ako pag-aralan siya and to the extent na yung capital ko is hindi pa ganun din ka kalaki. So, wag ba kang mag-invest sa stocks kung yung pera mo is hindi ka handa na mawala. Kumbaga, sabi nga nila, pag-invest na stock is like you're in a sugal, gambling. So, kumbaga, sa mga taong nagsusugal, makarelate nito na mostly tayo nagsusugal, handa tayong mawala yung pera na isusugal natin, just like in stock. So, ako, before ako susugal, before ako mag-gamble into trading, kailangan muna na enough yung money ko na kaya ko siyang i-lose. For now kasi, my finances is not that much. Capital ko hindi ganun kalaki. I'm a type of investor na moderately aggressive. So, hindi ako ganun ka-aggressive na kaya kong i-lose lahat. So, yun nga guys, before you invest in something, you must know yourself better. You must know yourself first. Kung gaano ka baka risky, kung kaya mo ba siyang i-tolerate. Yun. So, ako, I really know myself na hindi ko kayang i-lose lahat. Kasi I have my own obligations din in life, personal, family, and yun. Gusto ko lang smooth things as it is. Una kong ininvestan is I choose Jollibee Food Corporation. So why I choose JFC? So I choose JFC because unang-una, aside from blue chip company siya, so given na blue chip company siya, but before that, to be honest with you, I don't much appreciate fast food chain kasi nga, syempre, I'm a health advocate. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung, syempre, processed foods, mga ganon-ganon. But, I don't say na hindi ako kumakain ng, syempre, fast food. Kumakain pa rin ako. So, I invest in fast food chain sa Jollibee Food Corporation niya kasi unang-una, aside from blue chip company siya, ano din siya, wag tawag dito, it's a food. So, we all know that food is a basic needs. So, mawala man lahat yung food, we cannot survive without food. So, di ba, yung basic natin is food, shelter, air, yun yung mga basic, yung mga things that we cannot live without. So, yung mga bagay, kung wala kang kain, syempre, mamatay ka. And Jollibee has proven that. Baga, matagal na sila sa industry. Matagal na sila nag-i-exist sa not just in the Philippines, but worldwide. So, yun nga, before ako nag-invest sa Jollibee, I did all my research, how they founded, how they expand. When I invested Jollibee last March, April, yung mga ECQ nga, doon ko nakita na today, may result na siya. Imagine, I bought the stocks for Jollibee at 136 pesos and now, it's closing at 200 pesos. So, imagine the increase. So, almost 36 less 100, nasa mga 64 or something. So, malaking gain na yon. So, if may pera ka that time, malaking pera ka that time, nag-invest ka sa Jollibee, for now, for sure, kumikita ka. But I'm telling you this, hindi malaki yung na-invest ko sa stocks. Baka akalain mo malaki yung na-invest ko. Kunti lang yung na-invest ko na to the extent na na-realize ko na talagang sa stocks talaga, meron ka talaga marating as long as you are patient enough to wait. Yung kumbaga hindi ka nagmamadali sa kita kasi sa stocks hindi siya easy money. Maging easy money lang siya when you learn everything, when you master the skills on how to trade, on how to project, on how to master the graph, there's something yun. So kumbaga ako, doon ko lang na-realize, that's why I'm sharing this to you now kasi nakita ko kung ano yung maging resulta kung ikaw mag-invest ka as early as now, after 5 years, after 10 years, makita mo talaga yung results. I mean, kumbaga, if you are focused on long term, not just in short term, that's why I share specifically Jollibee because I saw what happened kung mag-invest ka today, then after months. Imagine guys, months pa lang ang nakalipas, wala pang years. So, I'm planning to add more and more. So, that's why I'm saving my money, my salary to put aside for investments. Kasi, sabi ko, I'm 27 years old now, or way back, 26 years old. So, what if after 5 years? There's what we call compound interest. Kung sa utang nga, may compound interest, how much more sa savings and investment. One reason pa pala why I choose Jollibee because they distribute dividend. So, if you are familiar with dividend, kumbaga yan yung mga binibigay sa mga shareholders, it's either profit or loss yung company. So, nagbibigay sila ng dividend every quarter. So, if malaki yung shareholder mo doon, if malaki yung shares mo doon, expect a higher dividend na magi-give either semi-annual, quarter, or annually. Depende sa company kasi yan. So, yun lang. So, I give you a specific example. That's why I share this to you. Kung worth it nga ba mag-invest. For me, worth it talaga mag-invest sa Jollibee. But I'm not saying na mag-invest ka din sa Jollibee kasi marami namang stocks dyan. So, one thing that you will apply also is learn how to diversify. I'm not saying the stocks will give you a fortune, but it is one of the investment that you really need to start as early as now. So, you have You can have your stocks, you can have your real estate, you can have your other type of investment. Put your portfolio in one basket. So, naglagay ako sa stocks. So, as you all know, meron din akong part-time business, networking, it's a multi-level marketing. Doon talaga nag-umpisa lahat kung bakit ako nag-change my mindset. So, from that, before ka mag-invest sa stocks, then learn everything. Kailangan mo munang familiarize. I learned from the internet, lahat. I do the research, lahat. Kung gusto mo talagang matutunan, kailangan mo mag-research. So, free naman yung wifi, free naman yung data. You just really need to, kumbaga, plug in yourself sa mga available resources online. So, just comment down below kung may gusto kayong i-share, may gusto kayong itanong, or kung ano man yung gusto nyo. You're in your mind na, or against kayo sa video na to, or may mga nasabi ako na not right, kung ano man yung na napakinggan nyo, para din from you maka-learn din ako. So, yun lang siya guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I've impart something na maka-learn kayo and something na maka-help sa inyo. So, thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next vlog. So, bye! God bless, and always believe in yourself.